Hi girls. Just walked right past Brucey. It's weird because he wants to kill about everything else, but he's good with ducks and chickens and geese, even wild ones. He sometimes likes a bit of a chase when I'm at a reservoir, but not that I totally trust him either. I wouldn't leave him in the garden with them. You just wait. So I've had to do a load of de-vegging to get to this hive. Do you know what I might have done? They've been going in the lid, but I've actually put it on properly. So I think they're struggling to get back in now. I'll have to knock it off. Knock it off stealth fashion, because I've took my bee suit off. There you go, girls. They actually didn't bat an eyelid. I had to properly chop down all this area. It was totally overgrown. And they weren't even binging into my suit. Quite gentle bees, Bruce. So we're going to have a chill a minute, and then I'm going to open the hive. I'll use a little bit of smoke. What a messy looking hive. So there seems to be a good amount of bees. It must have been a big swarm. They'd actually started building brace comb under the queen excluder, which was actually right up at the top of the hive. So I've scraped that off and I've put the honey box on, which is that level, and I've left the lid skew if, because that's what they were going in and out of. They didn't seem to be using the entrance. Scraped a load of dead bees out of the entrance, but we ain't due any rain, though we should do with it, so there's no worries with leaving the lid skew if. They're not going to get wet or cold. Last update, I've got a 5 litre bottle of water, put a tiny hole in the bottom of it so it'll just seep out slowly. There's already bees crawling around on that. He hasn't even dropped his ball. Hey up, Tom lad. We're on the shady side of the moor. Loads of birds just flew off. I've just been picking bilberries. Are they all gone, Bruce? I got you some bilberries. Bruce! Bilberries! Ooh, I lost one. Bruce, do you want your piece? Here, what's this? I think he wants birds. Let him off the lead a minute. Did he get it? What, you didn't get it? Why didn't you get it? Bruce, what's these? Come on, lovely pieces of fruit. Killing machine. I've got you some pieces of fruit. Boy! What's him sniffing? What's him sniffing? What is it? Bruce, the lead's going back on at the corner. That's the root. That's the low